Good afternoon. I am out riding. It is hot and I'm in Whitefield taking a break. Got myself a Gatorade electrolyte drink. Got a nice field behind me. So I was gonna do a loop. I had a couple different ideas. I thought about jumping on Route 5 over in Vermont and heading south, but traffic is crazy and my stomach hasn't been feeling great for the past couple days. I haven't been feeling that great for the past couple days, so I think I'm just going to backtrack and go the way I came, to go back home and just take a shower and relax for the rest of the day. It's really all I got for you. Traffic is absolutely insane. It's Sunday, so everyone's going home. Coming north wasn't so bad, but going south is going to be a pain. But that's okay. So anyway, hope you're all doing well. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, blah, blah, blah. And I will see you in the next video.